Hey guys, welcome back to the Chiglo channel. In today's video guys, I decided to make tomato sauce. But first of all, from Lidl, this is my first time of making this sauce, using the tomato rather. So I decided to try to see the outcome. First of all, I decided to boil it, a couple of them, about 4 of them. I was a bit skeptical how the outcome is going to look like, so I decided to, to try it. If it comes out well, then possibly I can be using it sometimes. So I frying the turkey alongside boiling the tomatoes to make everything fast. And my 2 kids are also here with me. So now I'm just putting the onions, as you can see. So I hope you guys have had a wonderful weekend. By the way, April has started, so happy new month to every one of us. We pray that this April will be a great one. So now the tomato is a bit ready. I decided to put it in the onion. I don't usually allow my onions to get brown before I add the tomatoes. I don't know how you do yours, but this is my method, right? So please enjoy my cooking and don't mind my wooden spoon. I've used this for ages. I just love using the wooden ones. I decided to eat paron. I hope that's the English name, right? Or is it the Swedish name? Pierre. Sorry, Pierre is the Swedish name. So we call it paron here. The Swedish name is paron. If you're a paron lover, if you're a Pierre lover, come and join me. So I shared with my daughter. Here is yam. This is how I preserve my yam. I usually cut, and then the remaining one I preserve it in the freezer. Whenever I want to use the next time, I bring it out from the freezer. So I just show you guys. I just brought it out for you guys to see how I usually preserve my yam. And by the way, I've just added the seasoning, thyme. I'm also going to add curry. I hope you're enjoying the cooking. I'm also hoping that it's going to come out well, but I'm seeing already that it's coming out so well. My fear at first was the taste, if it's going to taste sour. So I decided to fry it so well so that sour taste will not be there. Yep. By the way, if you've been following my videos, you know that I have 2 kids. My daughter also came by the side to pick up something. So this actually came out so well, better than I expected. Now, as you can see, I back my son in this part. This is a wrapper. One of these days, I'm going to teach you guys the first time I backed my son to the church and the reaction of the Finnish people. It's a bit funny. how the cultural differences, right? You know, they love it, they see it fascinating when they see Africans pack their kids, but they also fear and wonder if child is gonna fall or something like that. So here am I putting the turkey, the fried turkey, with one hand because I was carrying my son first of all before I decided to pack him. I was turning it with one of my hand, the left hand, obviously. Yeah, so this is basically, guess what? It actually came out very well, guys. It's really delicious. No sour taste. I'm going to be trying using these tomatoes for the remaining time. So thank you. Thanks for staying. And don't forget to subscribe, like my video. Bye.